upon a time, there lived a man called Okaitobi in the village of Gabuton. Was a well-known hunter and being a very good hunter. Don't pushy. That was as well where I life, rats, squirrels, wildcats, foxes, among others. My dears, on the other hand, pushy environment was acting as a leading place on the hospital, where Okaitobi and the family would not enjoy their next day due to mosquito bites. One day, I took his last controversy. Tried to find all alternative ways to treat the child, but it did not work. Due to that, the child's condition continued to worsen. His wife was advising that well-known witch-doctor upon the way. After the wife, they took a move away from the witchcraft man. The witch has going to be a very big keyboard. So that can be slaughtered. After giving publicity the voice, of which was that? After he performed his worship, he was down. He said, he's the neighbor of ours. The closest friend of Okaitobi who was trying to use your child as a sacrifice for God. That's why the child was sick. He said, my dears, Okaitobi hearing that was very annoying and confused in the mind. But on the other hand, the child had already died.
I'm sorry.
This precious enmity between the two families, the relationship that used to be my two fellows, was terminated by them. Surely, greetings became a problem. Another man came past, who pulled another in, fell sick. I took him hearing that was very frustrated and confused in the mind. His decision was to go and destroy his neighbor's family. But on a good notice, his son who was a nurse was with him. She advised him to place the child in their center. And when the child was taken, he diagnosed and reported infected malaria infection. After which, the treatment was delivered. And in only 2 days, the child had already recovered. He was going to be on the way. Very happy indeed. He's making the computer. His son was alone. Not one which one was saying about exactly the following Okaitobi was doing as stated by the doctor. Process around sleeping on a cleaning mosquito net, drinking of stagnant water, and above all, take a quick response to any sign of animal health. And then we can come. Okaitobi started by don't forgive me on the full statement stated by the witchcraft man. After this saying again, speaking annually on how fake witchcraft doctors are. From then, my dear fellows, relationship that we have lost continued normally by following the doctor's instructions. Okaitobi and the friend ensure that their environment is managed by splashing of processes around, clearing of stagnant water, and above all, sleeping under breathing mosquito net. People were very happy because Okaitobi was appointed as a miracle where he could give the people on the preventive measures of malaria. And from then, my dears, malaria cases dropped and children's learning boosted. Free malaria environment. After Okuru Okaitobi said, whoever is sleeping dead glory of malaria said that I became a medical doctor. Okuru Robert for the building of a referral hospital in Lamido village. And when he has been few years, people started to see healthy services from the healthy center. My story is here. What lessons have you learned of me from my story? Yes?
I learned that we should fear the feeding places from mosquitoes.
Okay, even your mother took my story. Thank you. All of that will help you to prevent the spread of malaria. Thank you so much.